Hi, boys and girls. We're working on our concept development. 9 minus 8. Let's fill in the number bond. So 9 is our total. All right, so 9 is our total and 8 is our part. And we need to figure out what the other part is. So what are some ways we could solve this? Let's use the count back strategy first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle the 9 because that's my total, and I'm going to count back 8 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my answer is 1. So 9 minus 8 is 1. All right. So now let's do the counting on, because the counting back took a long time. So we could use addition to solve this. So we would get the same answer for both strategies, but we have to figure out which one is faster or more efficient. So when you're solving subtraction, I can't talk. When you're solving subtraction sentences, you can think and decide which one's easier, counting on or counting back. So let's look at 7 minus 6. Let's see which strategy is going to be the easiest for this one. So 7 is our total and 6 is our part. All right. So if I started with 7 and counted back, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and my answer is 1. Or I could count on. So I would start with 6 and go up to 7. 1. So in that case, the counting on strategy looked easier and is easier than the counting back strategy. All right, let's look at this one. 9 minus 2. 9 is our total, 2 is our part. All right, so let's say we circle 9 and we're going to count back by 2. 1, 2. My answer is 7. Now let's try the counting on. So I'm going to start with 2 and I'm going to go how many hops up to 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That took longer. So the counting back strategy worked the best on this one. 8 minus 3. So 8 is my total, 3 is my part. All right, so I'm going to circle 8, and I'm going to try the counting back first. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And my answer is 5. And that didn't take very long. So now let's try the counting on strategy. All right, so I have 3 as my part. I'm going to go up to my total, which is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so the counting back strategy actually worked a little bit faster on that one. 10 minus 7. All right, so let's see. 10 is our whole, 7 is our part. So let's do the counting back strategy. So I'm going to circle the 10, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, 3 is my total. So that took quite a long time. So now let's try again. We'll start at 7 and count up to 10. 1, 2, 3. The counting on strategy worked best for that one.